Need a budget laptop that actually works? The Asus Chromebook Plus CX34 might just be the under $400 gem you've been searching for. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. If you're hunting for a cheap laptop, compromises are inevitable. But for casual users who mostly write, browse, and stream media, this Chromebook hits the sweet spot. And it's just for $399 for Core i5 version, which offers the same 128GB storage and RAM as the base Core i3 model, and it's perfect for productivity without breaking the bank. The design's simple but serviceable with a polycarbonate body that keeps the weight just over 3 pounds, making it easy to carry. The keyboard is surprisingly solid, featuring textured and responsive chiclet-style keys, while the physical webcam privacy shutter is a modern touch that adds peace of mind. Connectivity isn't an issue either, as it packs 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Of course, there are compromises. The 14-inch LCD screen is muted, low-res, and not great for vibrant media, and battery life can feel short of about 5 to 6 hours, although Asus advertises 10. Still, for writing, browsing, and casual streaming, it's perfectly fine. The real selling point about this ChromeOS is that it keeps the system snappy and reliable. With constant improvements to Google's lightweight operating system, this Chromebook handles everyday tasks smoothly and even supports Android apps for extra versatility. Plus, in the holidays, you can get it for just $299. The Asus Chromebook Plus CX34 proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a functional, stylish, and portable laptop. It's perfect for students, casual workers, or anyone who wants a machine that just works. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.